welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, just keep on watching. All right, you guys. So, first order of business. I dyed my hair. I did it myself. I'm doing things that scare me, and destroying my hair scares me, so. But I think I did okay, you know? I don't think I missed any spots. Just went back to dark brown. I know it looks a lot darker. This particular hair dye, like this is literally a level 5, but it goes like so much darker for some reason. But that's fine. I just need something closer to my regular color because the red, even though it's only, I went from washing my hair 7 days a week to only washing it 3 days a week. Reds fade so hard, and the stupid thing about my hair is it's got some natural red undertones in it, so like my hair always fades to some version of red, whether it be like a blackish red. It'll still have like that red tint to it, but like when I try and dye it red, even washing it so much less, it just does not stay. Also, we, of course, our washing machine was fried, so we had to get a new one. By new, I mean used used, whatever. And so if you hear any weird noises, that's the washing machine. We're trying it out. It was just delivered, trying to see if it works. Hopefully it does, because even for a POS used washing machine, with them taking the other one away and delivering the new one, it was like $300. Like, I just told my husband, okay, I need to get started. I'm sorry. Today's video is going to be the Nomad Cosmetics Fairy Tale Europe palette. I've had this palette for a minute, have not used her yet, so here we go. Isn't she lovely? Like, she is just really, really, really pretty. But yeah, like I was telling my husband, I've been watching like a lot of Dave Ramsey, and just because I just need to like, I'm just terrified about finances. Like growing up poor, finances are just a very stressful thing to me. All right, let's start. This is so pretty. I guess we're going to do the same looks just because I really want to watch From. We love From. It is amazing. If you have not watched it, you need to check it out. So I just want to watch From. So I need to get moving. So let's start with the shade, oh goodness have mercy, News Schwanstein. Y'all, it's this shade. My vision, it's hard to read the writing, and then I don't think I can pronounce it right anyway, so forgive me, please. But yeah, I just Dave Ramsey, I'm like, I keep hearing in my head, like, you're broke, you shouldn't be spending money, you're broke, you have no money, you're broke. True. So, it's just so effing wild how, like, my job was decent and my income was decent, like, just even, like, a couple of years ago, and now it's like we're barely making it, and my husband actually makes a little more than he used to. It's just freaking wild. Like, the state of our country is terrifying. It's terrifying. Like, I freak out all the time. So, now this is Chateau de Chambord. Again, probably not pronouncing that right, but it's that lighter brown shade right there. We're just going to blend this out. But yeah, it's just wild. Like, our country, our economy is horrible. And don't get me wrong, like, I'm thankful we could get this washing machine, like, even though it's barely running. I'm thankful that we have one. Don't get me wrong. Don't want anybody to get upset, but I'm just saying, like, what's going on in our country is not okay. We definitely are not the greatest country in the world. All right. I'll definitely be doing more looks with this palette. I just really want to get something done so we can just kind of like chill out, because I've been stressing out over this whole washing machine thing way too much. My brain started going into like overdrive around like 1 a.m. so I haven't slept much. And this is like my bonus day off. So, you know, doing the best I can. All right, I just want something very small. Cragwire Castle. That one right there. I'm just going to put that on the lower lash line. to kind of have something there. Y'all, this washing machine, it's like literally barely operating. Like, what in the world? What in the world? I just got a text from our vet's office, so let me see what the heck we're doing with that. Confirm your upcoming appointment. Oy vey. Okay, well, how do I do this? Oh, I can't even just type confirmed. I have to click this thing. And like, if we don't do it by 24 hours for our appointment, they'll cancel it. My appointment has been confirmed. Thank you. Okay, cool. Anyway, so I'm just like really feeling like something very shimmery. So let's go in with some glitter glue. You guys, just literally, I'm gonna laugh so hard if you can hear that washing machine in the background because it sounds awful. Like, it literally sounds like it's about ready to break. I'm like, look, I don't really care what it looks like. I just care that it works. But it's sounding pretty rough. It's making me a little nervous. I mean, it sounds like it's like barely turning, like, y'all don't know how much more of this life I can take. Okay. So, oh boy. I literally have no idea what I'm feeling. Like, these shades are all pretty. I'm just so worried about the washing machine. I just can't even. I don't know. Dang it. I'm really getting nervous. You guys, what do I do if it just like blows up? Oh no. Let's go with Fairy Godmother. Like, it's pink and pretty, and we'll like throw something in the center or whatever. Oh, you guys, I'm telling you what, this life is just wild. So the funny thing was, like, the guy came out to look at our old washing machine, which we bought from a used place as well. Like, I'm totally for that. Like, we cannot afford new appliances. Appliances are so expensive. They crap out in a couple of years anyway. Like, we literally cannot fork out like $500-600 or more for a washing machine. Like, we just can't. So the guy came out Friday. I was not here because I was at work. My husband was home. And the guy's like, yeah, you know, your old one, which we bought from like a different used appliance store. He's like, the cylinder or something is like rusted out and whatever. But like, the funny thing was, like, when we got this washing machine delivered, it actually like never worked. And it was like, I don't know, my dad died, it's like right before our wedding, and I was just really overwhelmed, stressed out, in a bad place. And I think that like I had like tried to call the people, and then I think that they maybe called, but I didn't realize it was them because they called from a different number. And I just never, like, I was just such a freaking wreck. Like, I just couldn't deal with it. So I don't think it ever worked. And that's my fault. Also, like, right on the wedding, our like electrical breaker thing like almost caught on fire. So like, there was just a lot going on. Like, I just could not deal with it. Oh, I think it's draining. I think it's draining, so that's a good sign. But yeah, so I never even like addressed it with the company because like I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna use my mom's because I was just so overwhelmed and stressed out, and then one thing turned into another, and I didn't realize, I guess I'd been doing laundry at my mom's for like 4.5 years, almost, a little over 4.5 years. Because I was at her house more than I was at mine, and then she just recently moved away, so I'm like, had to figure something out. But anyways, I'm just trying to like hear what it's gonna. Okay. Okay, now we're doing like the rinse cycle, I guess. Okay. If you guys, I hope you can hear this because what in the world? Okay, so I think let's go with Prince Charming, or ooh, do I want to do? Ooh, no, I don't know. Will that show up though? No, let's do Prince Charming. That was my first thought. Let's go in with Prince Charming right here, and we're just gonna like get that on the finger and put that in. Oh, that's really pretty. Really, really pretty. Just like in the center of the eye. That is absolutely stunning. So yeah, just doing the same on both eyes, you know? You guys, this thing literally sounds like it's like a spaceship getting ready to take off or something, or an airplane. It's so funny, but like, I'm so glad that it's working. I could almost like cry, but then laugh because it just sounds so scary. Like this thing is gonna scare the shit out of me every time it's running, but it is working. I am so happy. You guys, it really doesn't take much to make me happy. All right, I need to do a lower inner corner highlight. I'm just like so ecstatic this freaking washing machine is actually working. Like you don't even understand. Like you have no idea. All right, so lower inner corner highlight. Let's do Snow White. Let's do Snow White for that one. So the shade right here. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh, and I'm finally getting my brows done Thursday, I think. I know. I can hear Dave Ramsey in my head. You're broke. You don't need to do that. But like, I really do. You know, because like you do need to do some things for yourself. So mine is going to be getting my brows done. Like I don't get my my nails done or anything. If they're ever done, I do them myself, which like I really, the last couple of years, I haven't even like had the energy to do them. But, and by do them, I mean throw like some polish on them and we're good. But yeah, so that's my little thing to myself, is getting my brows done. And every once in a while splurging on makeup, but the splurges are gonna go like way, 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 way down. So I need to go put some eyeliner on, mascara, and I'll be right back. All right, I am back. If you know, you know. You guys are almost out of this bottle. I have one more left and I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be really, really sad because I just love that setting spray so much. Okay, so let's do a final look-see. Okay, so pretty. Nomad Cosmetics did it again. This is the Fairy Tale Europe palette. It is so cute. I love, love, love this so much. Here we go. Absolutely freaking gorgeous. You guys, so thank you for watching this video. Thank you for struggling with me through the whole thing. Remember, you are beautiful, loved, and amazing. Have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see you on the next one.